Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Evernote. So if you like taking notes, keeping your work organized and managing all of your work in one place, then I'm going to show you how it can be done on Evernote. So first you have to go to the browser, search for Evernote. You will get this first link, open it up, and then you have to create your account onto it, simply signing up with your email address. But it will show you these options. You can just simply go through that, and after that you have to simply create your account. You have to tell it for what purpose you want to use this Evernote. Once you have selected this option, then we have two options, either Gmail or your Apple account. You can go with any one of these options. Then you have to get to this option where you can install its desktop app if you want to. Otherwise, you can use its browser version as well. It's totally up to you, whatever option you would like to go with. The interface will almost similar, like there will be a little bit difference, but not major things will be different. So first it will greet you by saying welcome to Evernote. So what you have to do is you have to simply start creating your first notebook. So notebook is actually a sort of a group, a folder in which you create different notes. So it will ask you some of these options like what sort of notes you want to create. These are just some general questions. You have to simply answer them as per your preferences. Then if you want to create your first task, you can create it. Otherwise, you can create it later on when you start working onto it. So if we talk about it interface, this is the first interface that you will see. On the left side, we have all these options. First, we have the option to add the task. You can click onto it. You can give it a title, add different task of your choice. And after that, we have this option, which is the home, where all of your work, task, list, calendars will be there. On the second, we have this option shortcuts, where you can find all of your recent tabs. In the notes, you can go there and create notes related to whatever you like. In the tasks, you can create tasks, like if you want to upload videos, you can write upload videos, give it a description, add like how much prioritized this work is. The same way you can create up anything. It starts by giving any sort of title of your choice. Whatever you want to create a task of, give it a title. In the description you can write all about it, or even just simply give a clue what it is about. And after that you have to set its due date, like when this work should be done or for when it should be happen. And there are other options, like you can add your images, and if you have a team you can also do it. You can check its priority, you can flag it, and your task will be created. Then we have this option files. If you have uploaded any files, everything will be there. You can categorize them, you can upload anything whatever you like. Then here we have the calendar. In calendar you can add your schedules, your meeting, your daily work that has to be done. And in the templates you will find templates related to like task, work, list, and different things. And then we have this option notebook. In the notebook we have different notes that we can manage. You can find all of your work there. If you want to create more notebooks, you can do it. In the tags, if you have added any tags or anything related to it, everything will appear there. So these are all these options. You can start with the home. If you have a lot of work up there, everything will be there. You can go to your notes and then you can create different notes. Start with giving a title, it could be anything, and then you can add taglines, or you can say the description that defines what we are talking or having a conversation in this work. Then we have these options that we get into like a word. We have these options for the fonts, the styling, and everything. You can attach files and all these options. So that is all about Evernote. Once you start using it, you will get familiar with its interface. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.